Most businesses fail not because of bad ideas, but because important basics are skipped before launch. If you want a strong foundation and long-term growth, then this video gives you a complete business launch checklist that removes guesswork and confusion. In this video, we are sharing how to prepare a business launch checklist. Number 1. Define your business idea clearly. Write your idea in one simple sentence, explaining what you sell, to whom, and why it matters. Clarity helps decision-making, marketing, pricing, and prevents confusion during execution and communication. Number 2. Identify your target customer. Define who your ideal customer is by age, location, income, profession, and problem. A clear customer profile helps you design better products, marketing messages, and pricing strategies. Number 3. Validate demand with market research. Research online forums, reviews, surveys, and search trends to confirm people actually want your solution. Demand validation reduces risk and prevents launching products nobody is searching for. Number 4. Analyze competitors in your niche. Study top competitors, their pricing, offers, strengths, and weaknesses. This helps you identify gaps, differentiate your business, and avoid copying outdated or ineffective strategies. Number 5. Decide your business model. Choose how your business will make money, such as one-time sales, subscriptions, commissions, or services. A clear model ensures predictable revenue and better long-term planning. Number 6. Choose a business name. Select a simple, memorable, and easy-to-spell name that fits your brand vision. Avoid complicated words so customers can recall and search your business easily. Number 7. Check domain name availability. Search for a matching domain name, preferably .com. Owning your domain builds credibility, supports branding, and protects your business identity online globally. Number 8. Secure social media handles. Reserve your business name across major social platforms, even if unused initially. This prevents brand misuse and ensures consistent identity when you start marketing later. Number 9. Finalize your value proposition. Clearly explain what makes your product better or different. Focus on the main benefit customers care about, not features, so your message stays simple and compelling. Number 10. Decide pricing strategy. Set prices based on value, costs, and competitor benchmarks. Ensure pricing covers expenses, allows profit, and matches your target audience's willingness to pay. Number 11. Estimate startup costs. List all one-time and recurring expenses like tools, inventory, marketing, and legal fees. Knowing startup costs prevents cash shortages and unrealistic expectations. Number 12. Create a basic business plan. Write a simple plan covering goals, audience, revenue, costs, and execution steps. This acts as a roadmap and keeps you focused during early-stage decisions. Number 13. Decide legal structure. Choose between sole proprietorship, partnership, or company based on liability, taxes, and growth plans. The right structure protects you legally and financially. Number 14. Register the business. Complete official registration according to local laws. This makes your business legal, trustworthy, and eligible for banking, payments, and formal partnerships. Number 15. Obtain required licenses and permits. Check industry-specific licenses needed to operate legally. Compliance avoids fines, shutdowns, and future legal trouble that can damage your brand. Number 16. Open a business bank account. Separate personal and business finances. A dedicated account simplifies accounting, improves transparency, and builds professional credibility with clients and partners. Number 17. Set up basic accounting system. Use simple accounting software or spreadsheets to track income and expenses. Proper records help with budgeting, taxes, and understanding business health. Number 18. Plan cash flow for first 6 months. Estimate monthly inflows and outflows realistically. Cash flow planning helps you survive slow months and avoid running out of money unexpectedly. Number 19. Arrange initial funding. Decide whether to self-fund, borrow, or raise investment. Ensure funds cover setup, operations, and marketing until revenue becomes stable. Number 20. Build your minimum viable product. Create the simplest version of your product that delivers core value. This allows faster launch, early feedback, and improvement without wasting time or money. Number 21. Finalize suppliers or vendors. Select reliable suppliers based on quality, cost, and delivery timelines. Strong vendor relationships ensure smooth operations and consistent customer experience. Number 22. Set up operations workflow. Define how orders, delivery, service, and support will work. Clear workflows reduce confusion, save time, and help scale operations smoothly. Number 23. Create brand logo and identity. Design a clean logo, colors, and fonts that match your brand personality. Consistent branding builds trust and recognition across all platforms. Number 24. Build a simple website or landing page. Create a basic website explaining your offer, benefits, and contact details. This acts as your digital home and credibility anchor. Number 25. Set up professional email address. Use a domain-based email instead of free services. Professional emails increase trust, improve communication, and strengthen brand image. Number 26. Prepare sales process. Define how leads convert into customers, including inquiry handling, follow-ups, and closing steps. A clear sales process improves conversion rates. Number 27. Define customer support process. Decide how customers will get help through email, chat, or phone. Strong support builds loyalty, trust, and positive word of mouth. Number 28. Set up payment systems. Integrate secure and easy payment options suitable for your market. Smooth payments reduce friction and increase completed transactions. Number 29. Test product or service internally. Test everything yourself before launch. Fix errors, improve usability, and ensure the customer experience is smooth and frustration-free. Number 30. Collect early feedback. Share with a small audience and listen carefully. Feedback reveals blind spots and helps improve before public launch. Number 31. Fix critical issues before launch. Resolve major complaints, bugs, or confusion points. A polished launch creates strong first impressions and reduces negative reviews. Number 32. Create launch marketing plan. Plan how you will announce your launch using content, ads, email, or partnerships. Structured marketing increases visibility and early traction. Number 33. Prepare, launch, content, and creatives. Create posts, videos, emails, and visuals in advance. Prepared content ensures consistent messaging during the important launch window. Number 34. Set up analytics and tracking tools. Install analytics to track traffic, sales, and behavior. Data helps measure performance and make smarter decisions after launch. Number 35. Plan promotional offers for launch. Design limited-time offers or bonuses to encourage early adoption. Launch promotions help attract attention and initial customers. Number 36. Prepare frequently asked questions and documentation. Write answers to common questions. This reduces support, load, and helps customers understand your product faster. Number 37. Train team or partners. Ensure everyone understands roles, processes, and brand standards. Training prevents mistakes and ensures consistent customer experience. Number 38. Set launch date. Choose a realistic date with enough preparation time. A fixed deadline improves focus and execution discipline. Number 39. Do a soft launch or beta release. Launch quietly to a limited audience first. This allows testing in real conditions without full public pressure. Number 40. Review checklist and go live. Recheck everything calmly. Once confident, launch officially and focus on learning, improving, and growing from real customer feedback. If you follow these 40 checkpoints properly, you will launch with clarity, confidence, and control. Save this video, take notes, and treat it like your personal launch guide. Watch these 101 small business ideas to start your own small business. Also, like, share, and subscribe this channel to get more videos. Thank you for watching this video.